Hello, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Health Matters with Dr. Shritama Banerjee. Today, I shall be giving you 10 tips to boost your memory, 10 tips to improve your memory power. Coming to number one, get adequate sleep. Now, what is adequate sleep? It is 6 to 8 hours of sleep every day. So, how does that help in boosting your memory? It is so because the consolidation of information gained all throughout the day takes place in the hippocampus of the brain, and that takes place during our sleep. So, if you don't get adequate sleep, then all the information gained will not be consolidated to form a proper memory at all. So that is why before any examination, we always suggest that you don't stay up late at night. Rather, you go to sleep earlier at around 11, latest by 11 at night, and wake up at 5 o'clock if it is required, and then you read in the morning. So that way you will get adequate sleep and your memory will be better. Number two, get adequate nutrition. That is, take balanced diet. So, what are the nutritive foods that we need to take? Take fresh leafy vegetables, seasonal fruits, nuts, legumes, beans. We suggest walnuts, almonds, uh, all these very nutritious dry fruits. Then figs, all these. Then take anti-inflammatory and antioxidant uh, foods. For example, you can take berries which are not very commonly found in India, but if you can catch hold of them, then you take them. Then you can take red grapes or the black grapes. It's better than the green grapes. Then next point is decrease your sugar intake. Why? Because sugar damages the blood vessels of the brain and that leads to decreased memory. So you should take less amount of sugar in your diet. Then decrease refined carbohydrate intake. Refined carbohydrate means flour, refined flour or maida. Then all the materials, all the food items that are made from maida, for example, cakes, pastries, all these things, bakery products. So take less quantity of that because that will also damage the blood vessels of your brain, leading to decrease of the memory. Then take antioxidant foods, again, repeating the point. Uh, for example, take uh, turmeric each day. Why? Because turmeric contains a very important substance known as curcumin. And in studies, curcumin has been found to decrease the deposition of amyloid plaques, which is the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. So, as you know, Alzheimer's disease is a very common disease in the elderly age group in the geriatric population, and that leads to dementia, and ultimately, it's a very debilitating disease. And turmeric has been found to boost memory power so much so that it decreases the chances of onset of Alzheimer's disease. So you must take adequate turmeric in the diet. Then you can consume dark chocolate. That's another point. Dark chocolate contains a substance known as flavonoids, and you should take dark chocolate which has greater than 70% cocoa in it, or nowadays also chocolates, dark chocolates with greater than 90%, greater than 95% cocoa are also available in the market. So go and grab them. And the sugar content should be very much less, because if again the sugar content is more, then the benefits and the risks get balanced out and it's no point. So you go for dark chocolate which has less sugar content and increased cocoa percentage. Then take fish oil. Why? Because fish oil is rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which is good for our brain. It increases the health, improves the health of the blood vessels of the brain, And also another point, it improves the health of the heart also. So these are multiple benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. For that, you need to take fish oils. And there are supplements also, but in case of vegetarian diet, if you are vegetarian or vegan, then you have to take supplements. However, we always suggest that if you are into taking non-vegetarian food, then go for fish. And salmon is a very important source, and it has a very large amount of omega-3 fatty acids. So go for fish oil. And then coming to the next point, eighth point is weight control. So it has been seen that weight control leads to decrease of fat deposition, then decrease of inflammation, and it boosts your immunity as well. And in obese individuals, in obese patients, there's a substance released by the adipose tissue or the fat cells that is known as adipokines. So that is a substance, adipokines is a substance which decreases the memory. It causes inflammation in the body and decreases the memory. So you should focus on losing weight. And in studies also, it has been found that in obese individuals, or not in, of course, in obese individuals, you have a lot of decrease of the memory. Even in overweight individuals who have BMI greater than 28, the memory power is quite less as compared to the normal weight individuals. Then coming to meditation, it is very healthy way of life. And if you focus on meditation, it has been seen, studies have been done, and it has been noticed that in persons who meditate, the atrophy of the gray matter of the brain does not occur so fast, because the brain has two kinds of matter, that is the gray matter and the white matter. So the gray matter normally undergoes atrophy with age, that is known as cerebral degeneration or cerebral atrophy. So this normal atrophy, which is age related, will occur at a later age in individuals who are more into meditation, who practice greater meditation. So mindfulness meditation is a process which you should uh, make a habit of in case of if you want to improve your memory. And the last point is stop alcohol intake. It has been seen that the persons who have a habit of alcohol intake have very less memory power, because the gray matter of the brain, the cortex of the brain, and the blood vessels of the brain as well get damaged very fast in persons who take alcohol. So you must stop alcohol intake if you want to boost your memory power. So these are the 10 points which I gave, the 10 tips which I gave you to boost your memory power. So hoping to help all of you, and I shall be back again with my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.